Hey, this is John with Utopia Experience. So today we're going to be making a banana tea for a sleep aid. Well, it's actually not a tea because it's not a leaf. It's a hot infused beverage, but semantics. So what we're doing is basically we're going to take just a ripe banana. You're going to want to cut the end off. And the idea is that we're just going to chop this up into a few pieces, pretty simple, and throw into the water and boil it. What we're basically achieving here is we're going to pull out the potassium and the magnesium from the banana, which is going to really help us in our sleep. It relaxes our muscles, and it's really going to help to put us into a deep sleep. And the other interesting part about it is that the banana peel is loaded with tryptophan, and tryptophan is an amino acid that really plays a huge role in the production of serotonin and melatonin in our bodies, which also helps us to sleep. So it's a really easy tea. It's a great remedy for sleep, and it actually tastes pretty good. So like I said, just take a ripe banana, make sure you rinse it all off, get all the pesticides or any dirt or what might be. We don't really have that problem. We just pick it off our tree and throw it in the pot. So anyways, we're going to throw it in here, and basically we're going to boil this for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and we're going to show you what the tea looks like.
Nice.
All right, so these bananas have been boiling for about 10 minutes. They smell amazing. Well, basically, it kind of smells like banana bread. It's just been fresh baked. It's awesome. So once the water has kind of a grayish hue to it, and it has that banana bread smell, you're just going to kind of take them off the fire, and you're going to want to just strain them. There you go. And basically, we'll let that cool down a little bit. And now you can flavor it. You can throw in a little cinnamon if you want, some honey. You can add some almond milk or whatever you would like. But it's a really amazing beverage. It's great for before you go to bed. It really helps you sleep, helps you relax. I actually give it to the kids a lot for sleeping. So yeah, it's better than NyQuil. So anyways, talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And we will see you soon. Get in my belly.